Every journey starts with a vision. Ford's journey, however, transformed the world. The story of these giant machines that dominate modern roads actually began in 1903 in a small workshop in Detroit with a capital of $28,000 and an impossible dream. In those days, cars were nothing more than a weekend luxury for the high society. But Ford didn't intend to spend that capital on vanity. His goal was the common man's car. Then came 1908, and with it, the most iconic figure in motoring history, the Model T. It was black, it was basic, and it was built to last. Ford had finally stripped the automobile of its status as a wealthy man's plaything, transforming it into a beacon of freedom for the working class. By 1913, a revolutionary sound began to echo through Ford factories, the moving assembly line. No longer taking days to build, a car could now roll off the line in just 93 minutes. With the $5 a day wage he gave his workers in 1914, Ford didn't just create laborers, he created a consumer class capable of buying its own products. By 1927, more than 15 million Model Ts had been sold. Ford had put the world on wheels, forever changing cities and ways of life. In the 1930s, while Ford was introducing its iconic 5.8 engine, the world was approaching its darkest period, World War II. Ford factories were no longer just building automobiles. They had transformed into the arsenal of democracy, producing airplanes, tanks, and jeeps. By the time the war ended, Ford had become a global giant, powered by both its experience in military technology and its speed in transitioning back to civilian life. The 1950s were the pinnacle of the American dream, ushering in the era of wide roads, large engines, and chrome plating. By 1964, the world was introduced to the Ford Mustang, which would become the symbol of youth and speed. During this same period, Ford's ambition on the tracks took the company to Le Mans, where it became a legend with the GT40 by defeating Ferrari in 1966. Ford had transformed from being just a family car manufacturer into a performance giant. When the oil crisis of the 1970s shook the world, Ford focused on producing more economical models. However, the real storm was brewing in the pickup truck market. The F-150 series seized the title of the best-selling vehicle in America and the world. In the 1990s, Ford ignited the SUV craze with the Explorer. In every changing era, Ford excelled at analyzing exactly what people needed. The 2000s were marked by digitalization and global crises.
Everyone else is watching, and they're seeing these big negative numbers, and their confidence gets.
During the 2008 financial crisis, Ford proved its financial strength by staying afloat without receiving government bailouts, unlike other industry giants. As we moved into the 2020s, a legend was reborn from its ashes, the next generation Bronco. This fusion of classic design with modern technology served as a testament to how deeply Ford remains connected to its heritage. And today, we are in 2026. Ford is no longer just an automobile company, but a technology and software giant. Fully electric beasts, like the F-150 Lightning, autonomous driving technologies, and AI-powered production lines. The $28,000 dream, founded in that small Detroit workshop in 1903, has transformed today into a multi-billion-dollar innovation empire. Henry Ford's vision of transportation for everyone has evolved today into a vision of a sustainable future for everyone. 123 years, millions of kilometers, and billions of memories. One man's seemingly impossible dream changed the world forever. The story of Ford Motor Company has taught us that success is not just about speed, but also about defying time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at the next stop.